Hi guys, let's talk about our membership of the channel. This channel has been set up to give you as much good quality content as possible and not to gatekeep information and to hold information back. So I've been re-evaluating the membership program, and what I've decided to do is remove the top tier premium level membership and bundle everything that's in that tier in the tier below, which is Derek's Members Club. So you'll get access on that tier level to everything the premium content members previously enjoyed. I really appreciate the fact that becoming a member is showing your support for the channel. It's almost like having a cup of coffee in the local cafe, and we're just talking about the channel, maybe the things that you like, the things that you want to see in the channel. The more curated videos are free to everybody, and that's 99% of the content on my channel, and that will remain free. The membership really just sits alongside the free content on the main channel, and it's a way of us maybe talking on a more informal basis and you sort of helping to support the channel by becoming a member. And it really is, you know, I really value it. I really value your membership of the channel. It's that sort of vote of confidence which is really appreciated, and hopefully you enjoy being a member and, you know, helping to kind of create this channel with me. At the end of the day, we have to do it together, and it's wonderful that you are showing your support as a channel member as we move forward. So what you're going to find is that the top tier premium level is going to go away, and we're going to bundle everything down into the two remaining tiers. The first is join the channel, where you'll get emojis and a badge saying that you are a channel member, and I'll give you shout outs on the live stream and say hello to you guys and have you know, connection with you on a more, rather than just a member of the public, I know that you're a channel member. And then Derek's Members Club is going to be the new premium level where you get all of the members only content. So you'll get behind the scenes and members only videos and lots of good content. I want to give you guys value so that it is something that you can feel that you can continue your support of the channel with. It means that the world to me that you're supporting the channel as a member. I hope this change will be seen as a welcome change for you guys, and I really look forward to getting your comments below this video on your feedback on this change. Is it a good idea? Is it a bad idea? Do let me know. This is one great big experiment that we're doing together as a creative community to build this channel and build the creative community together. We're an international group of creatives around the world, and we meet through this channel, and it's really valuable, hopefully, for everybody to be part of that channel. So I want to make being a member as accessible as possible for you all. So hope you enjoy the changes. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.